Good afternoon here, everyone at Blu-ray Ranch. Got a phone call from Banyon a few minutes ago with our second mama cow in labor. Banyon watched her for a while. She's the first time mama. She's a heifer, so a little concerned as the front legs were out and she was up and down and not making much progress. So I'm heading over to check on where we are with our new calf here, number 2. Apologize for the bumpiness as I walk through the field. You can see other mamas in the herd and last year's calves hanging out. 7 generations here at Blu-ray Ranch of mama calf. Ah, I see a good sign up ahead. Rancher Banyon standing back. Looks like we were successful. Let's go take a look here with Rancher Banyon. It's a beautiful day. Oh my goodness, I think I see a baby standing ready to nurse. Beautiful Murray Gray calf. A first time mama, so she's a little confused. Looks like baby's trying to nurse for the first time. I'd say he's probably about 5 minutes old. Looks like the baby's strong. Mama's cleaning him or her up a bit. What's going on over here, Rancher Banyon? Got a newborn?
I was waiting on her to latch on and nurse.
So was she able to get this baby out on her own?
No, I had to help pull her.
Tell us the story here. So when you got back, what did you find?
The front leg sticking out without the head sticking out, and it was like that for at least half an hour. And so I decided to get her into place and try to help her. So once she got laid down, then I was able to grab a hold. The legs were out far enough to oh, now she's supposed to do the little dance first. This is her first time mom, so.
Hold real still, everybody. Take a deep breath and hope this baby latches on for her first. Oh my goodness, there it is. I can hear her sucking.
Oh, yeah. She's a strong little one.
What's that, Banyon?
She's a strong little one.
Little bull calf?
Little heifer girl.
Oh, a little girl.
Yep.
She's so strong.
Oh yeah.
You say she's about 5 minutes old here, right? Maybe 10 now?
Yeah.
And what's our name of our mama here?
That's Patty, number 78.
You go, Patty. First mommy.
Yep.
First time mommy.
First time mom.
Wonderful.
And at first, to have a little bit of assistance, that's expected. Heifers are sometimes that way, and you have to help them. So I just helped pull the rest of the baby out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Excellent. Well, I just gave a little update here. Wanted to come down and find you and see what was happening down here.
Yep.
Good news. I know you were concerned when you found her. So
Yep. Good now.
Doing your job.
Yep.
Stay tuned, folks, for some more exciting calving fun here at Blu-ray Ranch.
See you on the next one.
Beautiful May Day.